Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations. Coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Every week we enter our cards also into hashtag Satmorn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. However, this week I am also joining in with Snowman in Summer, and that's hosted by Nancy Handy Scandy, and CCAY 2024 hosted by Ebony and Paulette, which is Scrappy Kate. Ebony's channel is Sharing More, and those will be the additional collabs that I'm entering in this week. So their links will be down below, and make sure you go over and visit all the ladies. All right, let me jump right in. So starting out, I am using Prize Ribbon Distress Oxide ink. I am using the Clouds, Slopes, and Snowflakes from My Creative Time. Also using, and I don't know which one this is from, either Avriel or Paper Smooches, but I'm using this little slope there. And I'm also using this little banner piece from My Creative Time, which is from the Mr. Snowman. And I'm also using the 5x5 card die layers, and I'm using this one and that one there. And then Stump and Twig, and I'm using a few pieces from there. Let's take a closer look. And this turned out very cute. I'm not sure if the Snowman in Snowman in Summer was supposed to be a summer theme. Hey, but it is for summer. It's for Christmas in July, so there you go. Anyway, so there goes my Let It Snow from My Creative Time. These are just the pieces of the tree. I just cut off the tops of that. I did ink up the background with a little bit of white distress ink, and then also I added a few gems there. And there goes that My Creative Time card base die in the back, along with the layering piece there, and I just layered it up in the inside pretty much the same way. All right, so take advantage of these collabs. Like I said, I'll have the ladies linked down below, so make sure you click on those. If you'd like to use my code MOE for My Creative Time, you may go ahead and do so to get 10% off your total purchase. Any discount helps. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.